Hi, Emma. This gift is for you.
Thank you, Ryan. It's beautiful.
I'm happy you like it. Hi, Emma. This gift is for you.
Thank you, Ryan. It's beautiful.
I'm happy you like it. I really enjoy spending time with you.
Me too. You're very kind.
Today is a wonderful day. Emma, are you free today?
Sorry, Ryan. I'm busy right now.
Okay, maybe another day. I've been waiting for a long time. She isn't answering my messages. I hope everything is okay. Emma, who is that boy?
Oh, he's just my friend.
Are you telling me the truth?
I need to tell you something.
I'm listening.
I have another boyfriend.
You lied to me all this time.
I know. I made a big mistake.
My heart is broken. I trusted you with my heart.
I know. I'm truly sorry, Ryan.
Goodbye, Emma. But I have to stay strong. Life will get better.
I can't change the past.
I will learn from this. Tomorrow is a new day.
Some people teach us painful lessons.
I still believe in true love. One day, I will smile again.